Anbernic, a prominent player in the world of retro gaming handhelds, has recently unveiled its latest addition to the RG405 series, the RG405V. This new gaming handheld is generating quite a buzz due to its nostalgic appearance reminiscent of the iconic Game Boy, while also packing modern specs and features. The Anbernic RG405V deviates from its predecessor, the RG405M, which drew inspiration from the Sony PSP. Instead, the RG405V pays homage to the classic Game Boy with its instantly recognizable form factor. The device features a 4-inch IPS LCD panel, boasting a 640 by 480 pixel resolution. This choice of display ensures a sharp and vibrant visual experience, perfect for reliving retro gaming classics and enjoying modern indie titles. Underneath its retro-inspired exterior, the Anbernic RG405V is powered by the Unisoc Tiger T618 processor. This capable chipset is accompanied by 4 GB of LPDDR4x RAM, and offers a generous 128 GB of eMMC flash storage. This hardware setup guarantees smooth performance, whether you're playing retro games or more demanding titles. One standout feature of the RG405V is a substantial 5500 mAh battery pack. This battery is a significant improvement over its predecessor, the RG405M, which had a 4500 mAh battery. The 22% increase in battery capacity allows for extended gaming sessions without the need to constantly recharge. This larger battery is made possible by the device's slightly bulkier housing, measuring 145 by 105 by 35 mm, and weighing in at 282 grams. Despite its increased size, the RG405V remains comfortably portable and ergonomic, making it an ideal companion for gaming on the go. Thanks to this larger battery, the Anbernic RG405V boasts an impressive battery life of up to 9 hours on a single charge. This extended battery life ensures that you can enjoy your favorite games for longer periods, whether you're on a long commute or embarking on a gaming marathon at home. This 2-hour increase in battery life over the RG405M is a welcome improvement for avid gamers. The Anbernic RG405V is not just about its appearance and battery improvements, it also packs some impressive gaming features. One notable addition is the inclusion of Hall joysticks, which provide precise and responsive control, enhancing the gaming experience. Alongside this, the RG405V boasts a 6-axis gyroscope, enabling motion-sensitive gameplay for a more immersive feel. The device is available in several attractive variants to cater to different preferences. Gamers can choose from the classic wood grain finish for a retro touch, a sleek gray option for a more modern look, or a transparent variant that offers a unique and futuristic aesthetic. One potential drawback to note is the absence of a microSD card slot for memory expansion. While the RG405V comes with a generous 128 GB of internal storage, some users might miss the option to increase their storage capacity further. As for pricing, the Anbernic RG405V offers great value for gamers, with a starting price of $129. Additionally, for those who require even more storage space, Anbernic is offering models with 128 and 256 GB microSD card slots at competitive prices of $144 and $159, respectively. With its blend of nostalgic appearance, robust specifications, improved battery life, and gaming-centric features, the Anbernic RG405V appears to be a promising addition to the world of handheld gaming devices, catering to both retro enthusiasts and modern gamers alike. I hope you enjoyed this video, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day and God bless you.